Hello everyone, I hope your exam preparations are going well. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss about a topic called mixtures. This is one of the application of ratio. You remember when we have started ratio series, the ratio chapter, I've told you that there are certain applications, certain chapters which are application of ratios. So this is one of them. It does not have any formula. We can look at the question and we need to apply normal calculations there. So let's get started. So here I have mixtures first lecture for you. Now we are discussing a type of question where we are mixing two or more than two things, maybe liquid or solid. We are mixing all of them and we are making a new mixture. So there are two types of question I am going to discuss, or maybe say three types of question. One of them is when you have the quantities given, in the question. Okay, for example, here you can see you purchase two types of rice, 5 kg of rupees 50 and 8 kgs of rupees 80 per kg, right? So you are mixing two types of rice and the quantity of rice respectively is given. Yeah, you have two types of rice. Yeah, one is the type A is you have the cost is 50 rupees per kg and you are taking 5 kg of this, and the second one is as question said, you have 80 rupees per kg and you got 8 kg of this. So this is one of the type of question which you get. You're mixing two or more than two things and you are forming a new mixture where quantities are given. The other type of question we will discuss in the next lecture, not in this lecture, in the next lecture, where the quantities are not given. Like here, how many kgs of tea? How many kgs of tea? The quantity we need to find out. How many kgs of tea, right? So there is a difference in attending or handling these two different types of questions. Of course, that's why they are different types of questions, right? So let's work on this question. So what do you need to do? Question says you purchase two types of rice, A and B. Let me call it A and B here. We need to 5 kg for 50 kg per 50 rupees per kg and 8 kg of 80 rupees per kg. Find the cost per kg of mixture when you mix both of them. Find the cost of per kg when you mix both of them. Okay. Now, if you mix both of them, what will you get? You will get total of 5 plus 8. Total of what? 13 kg. Correct? You're mixing both of them. And question said for this particular mixture, we need to find out the price per kg. Yeah, price per kg. That's what we need to find out. All right. So how will we do it? We'll keep it simple. We'll say, all right, you have purchased 5 kg, which is at rupees 50 per kg, yeah, which is at 50, or let me say this way, that you purchased a rice which is 50 rupees per kg and you're buying how many kgs? 5 kgs. So how much are you spending? In total? You are going to spend 250 rupees on this, correct? Then let me call this to be type A and type B. Now you have 80 rupees per kg, the second type of rice, and you are buying what? 8 kg of this, right? So how much are you spending? 8 is 64. So 640 rupees. So in total, how much have you spent in buying both types of rice? How much have you spent? So you have spent 250 plus 640. So this will be 890 rupees, right? And how many kgs you got? By doing so, how many kgs do you got in this sack? When you're mixing both of them, you got total of 13 kg, right? So can we say here that we have spent to buy 13 kg, we have spent 890 rupees. Yeah, to buy 13 kgs in total, we have total spent 890 rupees. So what will be price for 1 kilo here? So what will be price of 1 kg here? So 1 kg will be equal to 1 kg should be equal to 1 kg should be equal to 890 divided by 13. Yeah, so that is going to get you what? 68.46. That's going to get you 68.46 approximately rupees per kg. Okay, simple, right? This is very straightforward. No complications, no questions in that. Correct? Yeah, I hope you are finding it. You are comfortable with this. You have two types of rice. One is 5 kg, quantity is given. The price per kg is given. 8 kg, price per kg is given. You find the total expenditure to buy these both kind of rice. Then what do? Then you find price per kg here. Okay, simple, no? So this is one of the type of question in mixtures. Yeah, where quantities are given. This is how you handle. No formula, straightforward. Yes. Yeah. So we could have simply said for 5 kg, for 50 kg we got 5 kg plus for 80 kg, 80 rupees per kg we got total of 8 kg. If you divide by total quantity 5 plus 8, you get what? Price per kg for the mixture. Yeah, it is this simple. Yeah, this was just to explain you. Okay. Okay, let's see some more questions in the same line. We'll get some idea. Okay, next question is, you have 2 liters. So it's easy question, no formula such as I said, and we have solved one of the question also. So you can pause the video and look at this question and try to solve the question. Yes, so what do we have? We have you have 2 liters of orange juice costing what? 40 rupees per liter, and 3 liters of mango juice costing what? 30 rupees per liter. You mix both of them in a large container. What is the cost per liter of the mixture? Okay. If anyone is telling you to apply some formula for this, please skip that. Yeah. As I said, do not make whole list of formulas and then get confused. Make formula or write down formula only when it is needed. Yeah. Otherwise, aptitude is more of common sense game. Yeah. So here you can see that you are spending what? 40 rupees per liter and buying 2 liters of juice. So you are spending what? 80 rupees on this. Plus you are buying 30 rupees per liter juice and you are buying how many? 3 liters of this. Yeah, 3 liters of this. Correct? So this is your total spending, right? And divide by what is the total quantity have you purchased? What is the total amount of liters? Total quantity in terms of liters. You got 2 liters of first and 3 liters of second. So if you see total rupees you spend and you divide by total quantity of liters, so you will get the value which is rupees per liter at the end, right? Yeah, I'm explaining this in different ways. Whichever way you're finding it comfortable, take that. Okay, pick that up. So 40 rupees per kg, you got 2 liters. So you spend total 40 into 2 plus you spend 30. You bought 30 rupees per liter kind of juice and you're buying 3 liters. So total you're spending 30 into 3 on that, right? And divide by the quantity. So you will get what? 80 and this is 90. So 80 plus 90 is 170. 170 by 5. So what is 175 by? Sorry, what is 170 by 5, you will get 30, and then you got 2 here, 35 rupees per liter. Are you getting this? Yes, no. Are you getting this? Yeah, simple, right? So this is how you handle the questions when quantities are given. This is how you handle the questions when quantities are given. And the fun part will be the next chapter, the next lecture, not chapter, next lecture, next concept of this particular chapter when quantities are not given. So go through that video also. You will enjoy that. Okay, let's see the next question. Let's practice more. So question said you are going to make a trail mix for hiking. You have cashews, which is rupees 200. So 200 rupees per kg. Yeah, you got cashews. And the other one is costing 80 rupees per kg. The peanuts, which is 80 rupees per kg. Yeah, this is what you have as cashews, and here you got peanuts. All right. Now you are going to make total of 60 kg 5 kg mixture. Total you want a 5 kg mixture in which you want 60% cashews. 60% cashews. So just simply tell me 60% cashews. That means 60% of total mixture you want cashews. So 60% of 5. Tell me. Yeah, 6 5s are 30. So you got 3 kg here. Correct? So you want 3 kgs of cashews, which is costing you what? 200 rupees per kg. So remaining has to be what? Remaining has to be what? Peanuts, which is costing you how much? 80 rupees per kg. If you mix both of them, what is the price of the mixture per kg? That's the question. What is the cost per kg of the trail mix? Okay, so what will you do? You will simply calculate total spending and you divide by the total quantity you bought. Yeah, so total spending is what? You are spending 200 rupees on cashews and you're buying 3 kgs, plus you're spending 80 rupees on peanuts and you're buying 2 kgs here. Divide by total, you got 3 plus 2, 5 kgs here. So what will be the what will be the answer? 2 3 600 here. Then here you got by divide by total, you got 3 plus 2, 5 kgs here. So what will be the what will be the answer? 2 3 600 here. Then here you got by 5. This is 760 by 5. That should get you 5 ones are 5 5s are and 5 2s are. So 156 rupees per kg. Yes? Yeah? You know, one important thing which you can note here, is if you have more quantity of a particular price, your mean price, this average price, the mixed price, will be more inclined towards that value. Yeah, you can try this calculation. Okay, we got the answer. Okay, this is the answer. I'm just giving you other point of view, POV point of view of this type of question. So you got what, 200 rupees per kg, and you got 80 rupees per kg. And if you mix more quantity of this, let's say you buy 5 kg, okay, mixture is of 5 kg. Now suppose if you have 4 kg of this and 1 kg of this, the mixture value, mixture cost will be more inclined towards 200. Isn't it obvious? If you're mixing more quantity of cashews, the cost of the mixture or cost of mixture per kg, that mixture price per kg will incline more towards 200. Yeah. Compared to that, if you take 1 kg of this and 4 kg of this, you are taking more quantity of peanuts. So the mixture cost per kg will be more inclined towards peanuts cost, right? This 80 rupees. Are you getting it? Do you want to see? So if I do this first case, so 4 kg of 200, so this is 800 rupees. 1 kg of 80, so 80 rupees. Total of 5 kg. What is that? 880 by 5. If you calculate, what will you get? 5 ones are 3 here, 5 sevens are 35, yeah, 3 here, and then this is 6 here. So 176 rupees per kg, right? You can see this value is more closer to 200, correct? And so this is just point of view. I wanted to tell you because sometime in next lecture, if I use this and if I try to explain this, you should be clear with it. Okay. The second one, if I take 1 kg of this, so I'm spending 200 rupees, 1 kg of cashews, plus for 4 kgs of peanuts, I'm spending how much? 4 8 are 32 by 5. What will you get? 520 by 5. Simplify. 104 rupees per kg. You can see, if you compare this number, compare 280, this number is more closer to 200. And if you look at this 104, this number is more closer to 80, right? Yeah, just a point of view. You should understand this kind of thing so that if it is about eliminating the options, you can do that also. Yeah, we'll see that in future. So as I said, when I'm explaining the concept, I'm discussing all questions which are level of difficulty 1. Yeah, so hold on. When we solve level of difficulty 2 and 3, you will get some difficult questions there. Let's try to solve this question on the same line when quantities are given. This says you are working on a construction project. You need to create 24 cubic meter concrete. 24 cubic meter concrete quantity, total quantity you have. Like in the previous question, you have to create, you have to make a total mixture of 5 kg. Similarly, in this total quantity, 24 cubic meter is given. You have 3 material. You got 3 material this time. Instead of 2, you are mixing 3 things. It will not change the explanation. It will remain the same. One is sand, which is 20 rupees cubic meter. Okay. Gravel, which is 50 rupees cubic meter. And then cement, which is 100 rupees cubic meter. The ideal concrete mix of mix for your project is what? 3 parts of sand, 3 parts of gravels, and 1 part of cement. Okay, 1 part of cement. How much of each material do you need to purchase to, and what will be the cost of cubic meter of the concrete mix? Question is, if you take, say, first one is sand, the second one is gravels, and this third one is cement. If you take 3 part of sand, 2 part of gravel, and 1 part of cement, okay, and total you want 24 cubic meter. So first part of the question is, what is the quantity of each one of them? So are they not like ratio? Is it not like ratio? Are they not in this ratio? Yes, of course. When you have 3 parts of sand, 2 parts of gravel, and 1 part of cement, and total you want 24 cubic meter, then I can calculate by using ratio. Yes? Yeah, so let's do it. Okay, so out of tutorial, I will use the portion method of ratio proportion. Remember, three methods we have discussed: portion method, assuming method, and chain rule. Yeah, of ratio proportion. So as I said, this is application. So sand here, sand is 3 out of 3 plus 2 plus 1, 6. This 3 out of 6 we want in total 24 cubic meter. Then for gravel we want 2 out of 6 in 24 cubic meter, and cement I want 1 out of 6 in 24 cubic meter, right? Now if I simplify this, what will I get? 6 4s are 4s are 4s are, so 4 3s are 12. Here I want 8 and this will be 4. So this is 12 cubic meter, this is 8 cubic meter, and this is 4 cubic meter you want. Yeah, this is the first part. This is the answer of the first part of question, which is what? How much of each material do you need to purchase? So I need to purchase 12 cubic meter of sand, 8 cubic meter of gravel, and 4 cubic meter of cement. No formula, simple application of ratio. Just look at this. All good? Okay. Now what is the next part? Next part of question: what will be the cost cubic meter of the mixture? What will be the cost of mixture? So how will you calculate the cost of mixture? You will say, all right, I got 12 cubic meter of this sand, which is costing 20 rupees per cubic meter. You say cubic meter or meter cube, it's one of the same thing, okay? Basically it's volume. So this is 20 rupees per cubic meter. Now gravel, that is 50 rupees per cubic meter. All right, 50 rupees per cubic meter, and the last one is 100 rupees per cubic meter. Okay, so what do you get? What do you get here? The cost of sand, total spending on sand will be 20 into 12. Price per cubic meter is 20, and you have to buy total 12, total of 12 meter cube, right? So how much will you spend? Price per meter cube multiply by total quantity, right? Same is going to happen here also. For gravel, you will spend 50 rupees per cubic meter and you have to buy 8 meter cube, and same thing here, 100 you're going to buy 4. Total, as per the question, total quantity you want 24 meter cube, right? Okay, let's simplify this. So what will you get? 12 2s are 24. Now it's all calculation, and you are much smarter than me for calculation, right? Calculation, you are masters, man. I know my students are intelligent. You can do this fast. Yeah, this you have 800 and 1000, so 1040 by 24. Yeah, you need to divide this. Okay, what will you get when you divide? When you divide 1040 divide by 24, what will you get? You will get 43.33, and that is the price of mixture. So price of mixture should be rupees per quantity. Quantity here is meter cube. Okay, so this is the answer. Yeah. So did you understand how to handle question when the quantities are given in which you are mixing these different things to form a mixture? Yeah, how to handle question when quantities are given. Okay, I was explaining this, so that's why I have the explanation look very much in detailed, but it will take say 1 or 2 steps to do that, right? Fine. So this is mixtures alligations first lecture, and we have discussed a type of question where to to mix things, quantities are given. Okay, so this is it in today's lecture. My name is Shyam Manavat signing off. I will see you in the next lecture of mixtures and alligation, where we are going to discuss new type of question. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy. Bye bye.